12:32 AM हम लोग ने लास्ट ट्रेन मिस कर दी है एंड वी आर नाउ स्टक एट ओसाका स्टेशन। वो नेक्स्ट ट्रेन सुबह 5 बजे की है। रात का खाली खाली जापान। ये रहा, मेंटेनेंस वर्क चल रहा है रात को। यहाँ पे टैक्सीज बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है। अनदर होटल, अनदर एम्प्टी रिसेप्शन। चल,
very far away.
it's okay, let's just see what we can do. Can I check in?
Do you have the reservation?
So no reservation, we missed our train. I don't know what to do. फोकस कर ले भाई। 12:32 AM we have missed the last train and we are now stuck at Osaka station. We are thinking about checking out that hotel or any other hotel that will allow us for like 4 or 5 hours, क्योंकि जो नेक्स्ट ट्रेन है वो नेक्स्ट ट्रेन सुबह 5 बजे की है। तो हमें 4.5 घंटे स्पेंड करने हैं और उसके लिए वी विल ट्राई एंड फाइंड अ बजट फ्रेंडली होटल विच इज़ नॉट टू एक्सपेंसिव। हमने ऑनलाइन सर्विसेज पे चेक किया, काफ़ी महंगे 10-12 हज़ार टाइप के होटल्स है विच इज़ टू एक्सपेंसिव। सो या, इफ़ वी फाइंड समथिंग अराउंड आवर बजट वी विल कंसिडर staying over there. We'll go out on a walk now. Hopefully we find some hotel to stay at. रात का खाली खाली जापान। ये रहा योदोबाशी उमेदा which is right outside Osaka station. It's shut down. Trying to find a hotel where we can check in the middle of the night. Right in front of me I have a hotel called Hankyu Hotel. So we are gonna try and ask if they can provide us a room for 4 to 5 hours at a discounted price. And if they say yes, we might check in over there. Why are we checking into a hotel and not taking a taxi? Well, the answer to that is very simple. यहाँ पे टैक्सीज बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव है। मैंने अभी जस्ट ऑनलाइन चेक किया what could be the charges. The minimum is 16,000 yen to our destination and that's expensive. It's almost like 9,000 rupees. उतने में तो एक होटल रूम मिल जाएगा. So we are trying our best to reach to a hotel room and see what we can do best in this situation that we are in right now. हमें काफ़ी सारा वॉक करना पड़ा, फिर वहाँ पे जाके पता चला कि वो रास्ते पे क्रॉसिंग है ही नहीं। हमें क्रॉसिंग करने के लिए ब्रिज के ऊपर से जाना पड़ेगा। So we kind of decided not to do that. We were more like it's okay. We'll just go to the restroom and freshen up, and once we freshen up we will think about what to do next. So we came back to the station और workers देखो सामने से आ रहे हैं चल चल के। यहाँ पे भी लोगों को रात भर काम करके सर्वाइव करना पड़ता है, but the work that they do is commendable. Look at this station, and not just this station, all the stations are squeaky clean. Maintenance work के लिए, if you see, they are carrying some stuff. Station बंद होने के बाद जब trains बंद हो जाती है उसके बाद होता है. So yeah, I mean, if you are in Osaka station and you want to go to Kyoto, 12 AM sharp is the last train. If you miss that train, you have to wait for 5 hours, and the next train will be at 5 a.m. So, yeah. So, अभी हमें स्टेशन से भी बाहर जाने बोल दिया गया है बिकॉज जो आने वाली भी लास्ट ट्रेन थी ये स्टेशन पे वो भी आ चुकी है. अभी देखो लाइट भी बंद हो रही है सारी. सो वी वर आस्क्ड टू go out and wait outside the station building because I think they are shutting down the station area for maintenance work and other work that they have to carry. So yeah, we are trying to find a hotel room again. So right now we have taken a different exit and we are trying to find a hotel over here and see if that's possible that we can stay anywhere in a budget. The roads are all empty. Maintenance work चल रहा है रात को. और ये रहा यहाँ का ओसाका कैसल का पॉट होल कवर. चल. At 1 a.m. in the night in streets of Japan, empty streets of Japan.
I don't know how to reach there. This road is complicated. How is this so complicated?
I don't know how is it so complicated. It's okay.
Very far away.
It's okay. Let's just see what we can do. We are lost, obviously. We don't know what to do, so we are trying to figure out where we can check in and what can we do next. Another hotel, another empty reception. The door doesn't open. That means we don't get to check in. Taxi लेने का सीन ये है कि like I said 16,000 से 26,000 येन का रेंज बता रहा है. 16,000 भी पकड़ो तो 9,000 रुपये होते हैं. 9,000 rupees is a big amount. I don't know what to do. Can I check in? Can we check in right now?
Do you have the reservation?
So no reservation. We missed our train. So we need to check in for like
Please come here. 2%.
2 people. We have a hotel booking in Kyoto, but we missed our train.
We have only smoking room. You are no problem.
Okay, what's the price?
Twin bed or double bed? What?
Is it same price?
Little bit
Difference. Which one is lesser?
lesser. Okay, this is a double bedroom price.
Okay.
Double bed.
Okay.
Per night.
Can we get like a 6-hour check-in or something, like not full day, half day check-in?
So because you want to check out earlier and you want to discount.
Yes. I want to check out maybe
Before 8.
how much is the minimum hours for checking out?
So we don't have discounts. So
Oh, only one price?
yes.
Oh, okay. So can we think about it?
Please come on.
Yes. Can we sit over there for 2 minutes? Okay, thank you. So अभी ये 16,200 येन बोल रहा है बंदा, which is again 9,000 rupees. It's roughly the same amount of money if we take a cab back to our hotel.
But it's going to be like 3 hours journey.
Yeah, but then we'll have to get up in the morning and we'll have to take a train. We'll have to walk to the station, take a 1 hour public transport ride. So it's kind of confusing.
I think we need rest.
So scene abhi aisa hai ki we have decided to finally check into the hotel because we can stay here till 11 a.m. So that means we can rest and aaram se take a train in the morning when we want to. And B, ऑलरेडी इतना रात को वॉक करके थक चुके हैं, सुबह से घर से बाहर है, सो इट्स लाइक रियली tiring to figure everything out and stay out in the night. So yeah, we are now checking in over here and taking a hotel room at this hotel. So that's about it for this vlog. See you in the next one.
Bonus.
इतने से रूम का 16,000 येन लिया है इन लोगों ने. Just look at how big or small the room is.